All right, what's up, guys? So, last couple of days been pretty crazy indeed. We've been getting ready for the move, getting everything set. I need to get. Oh, all right. So the Miata, have a couple people interested in it. If it sells, it sells. If it doesn't, I'm gonna put it up in storage because I really do like it. I don't want to let it go for like nothing, but you know, it is what it is. I still like it a lot, like I really do. It's like, I don't know, I'm kind of torn if I want to really sell it. Like I do want to sell it because I don't want to keep it because it wouldn't make much sense, but I don't want to like give it away because I think it is like a really good body. Like the body and everything is like really good. The engine runs really strong. It's not perfect, but it's like a really good Miata, and I always wanted a Miata, so I don't really want to get rid of it for like nothing. If worst come to worst, yeah, my parents already said I could put it in their garage and I'll just keep it there and maybe come back for it. We'll see what's up, but we'll see. It's just kind of like I could keep it, but I can always buy another one later, like out there if I really want one. But like we gotta see what our like parking situation is going to be, so that's what I'm kind of concerned about that. Now the other thing is for the Focus. Oh, hopefully you guys can hear me, but yeah, sorry, I figured I'd just get in here. For the Focus, I'm going to today, I'm getting the oil changed. Getting one of the tires seems like it's always like losing pressure, so I think I'm gonna get that checked. We're gonna see if there's a leak, we're gonna get that plugged. So I'm dropping the car off today. I'm gonna do some cleaning in it. So the plan is, what's it gonna be? It's gonna be a little bit crazy. So we're gonna be driving the Focus and driving the Veloster in, because we're gonna have the two Huskies. So we're gonna have the Huskies, all of us, and the driving truck to drive down to like all the way there. So it's gonna be, we're breaking it up into like 3 days, so it's gonna be a pretty cool trip. I'm gonna actually film because I want to like really like show like how was it doing like a really long road trip inside of a Focus RS. Cause I was looking on the forum, some people were doing write-ups on it. Like some people were like, oh, I wouldn't drive it, you know, it's not practical to do it on a long road trip and stuff like that. I want to give you guys my experience of what's it going to be like. I know these seats aren't like, these seats are great, but like legit, you know, these are like Recaro racing seats, so they're definitely kind of snug. We're gonna see how's it gonna feel after, you know, doing a 14-15 hour driving day. We're gonna see if I still think these seats are great, and how the exhaust is. I'm really curious to see if I'm gonna get annoyed with the exhaust. So yeah, we're gonna see with that. With the Veloster, we're gonna see like how's that, just taking it on like a really long road trip. How's it feel? Because it is actually a lot, like I didn't realize it until I was driving the Veloster, forgot what day, and I was sitting in it and I was like, oh, it actually does feel like a smaller car than this. Like you wouldn't think so, but it does feel like a good amount smaller just inside. And yeah, I'm filming on the GoPro. Just doing something really light today. Man, where is the other dog? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, he's behind this grill. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Our neighbor is cutting down trees. This cool weather? Yeah, we will. We're gonna go for a quick drive, but gotta get a cold start. Alright, so I'm dropping the car off. The Veloceren's following me, so we're gonna drop the car off tonight, go get it, get the oil change, and then we're gonna look at the tire as well. And also I'm gonna have them just like look over the car if there's anything that needs to be done, just any small like thing, if you know, just if anything it looks kind of out of place. As you can see, my one tire, the pressure light always keeps coming back on after I fill it up, so that's what we're gonna go check today. So it should be fun, but I'm trying to get the car taken care of. All right, she's sitting pretty, looking good. Time to jump inside the Veloster in. Oh, good Lord. Oh my God, the seat. guys, so this is the next day. I'm driving the Veloster in because of my car is, yeah, we just dropped it off last night, and it turns out the tire had like a nail in it. So that would explain why I kept losing air. It was like really slow. I guess it turns out it was like 2 nails, 2 or 3, I think she said. I could replace it completely, but they patched it. They said that it should be fine. I've driven with patches inside of cars or inside tires before, so it should probably be fine. I am going to get, like, when we do get there, I do want to get actual summer performance tires finally, that we're going to be somewhere where I don't have to worry about it being winter time. There's a whole reason why I didn't like swap out those tires to begin with, because I was like, it wouldn't have made sense, because I was looking to get winter tires. So that's cool. So yeah, we're gonna be picking up the Focus later tonight. Oh, I can't believe I just missed that. There was a truck that like crashed into a rock. Their entire front was like smushed in. I'm so pissed. I like literally just turned off the camera the moment I drove past that. I don't know what they did, how they did that. They like drove like almost on top of like a small boulder. I don't know how they did that, but yeah, someone's having a really messed up day. Whoa. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. All right, so I'm gonna take apart my squat rack. Someone's coming to pick this up. It's very sad. I really liked this squat rack. We've had a lot of workout sessions. Time to get it done. This should make a light work of it, so let's do it real quick. Yeah, I kind of left her. I didn't mean to. I just kind of did a semi-aggressive like pull out of the driveway, and I kind of left her behind. She was not expecting me to do that. Yeah, so it was $86. Not bad. I got the full oil change, and I got 3 nails taken out of the tire. Can't believe it held air this whole time. They were all like the same exact small little nails. So shout out to these tires that they held together. These are like the cheap, I forgot whatever brand they are. Like whoever replaced the tires before on this car before I got it, it's like a cheaper brand, but it held together pretty well. So if I can dodge that. Yeah, so happy about that. All right, we're going home now. I need to get this car washed. This car is absolutely filthy. I haven't washed this car in like forever. Maybe I'll do that tonight. I don't know. Still gotta go. Oh yeah, someone's coming to go pick up some more weights from my house. We just sold that desk, and yeah, we've just been running back and forth, just trying to get as much stuff done as we possibly can before we head on off. But all right, let's go home real quick and get this stuff sold. Okay guys, so just sold the squat rack, desk, and some other smaller things. So it's been kind of a crazy day. I can't believe the tire had 3 nails in it. Yeah, so we'll see what's up with that. But I'm going to end the video here because we have more stuff to do as we're still prepping and getting everything ready. But yeah guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a like, follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as the YouTube channel. Go to the website, geekswithcars.com. I am sorry I'm filming this on this GoPro. We will have better videos coming up shortly. But we will see you guys in the next video. See ya.